Hi, I'm Rachel.
And we're first-year biohackers.
This year we decided to pick problem 1 for the biomed category as our challenge.
We designed a hand sanitizing device that notifies healthcare workers, hey, you need to come sanitize your hands.
Before you talk to me or any other patient, and after you talk to any patient.
Please enjoy our little demo.
Hey, are your healthcare professionals forgetting to sanitize their hands before and after working with patients? Don't they know it's dangerous? Did you know 100,000 people die from bad hand hygiene every year? Well, we want to put a stop to that, and we have the device for you.
Let's get an example of how this works. Here's Sally Mae walking through the door. Oh no, the alarm went off. Get some hand sanitizer, problem solved. Let's take a closer look on how this works. Imagine this is a hand sanitizer container. If we look at it from the side, we can see that there's a lot of circuitry that goes into making this device. Let's take a closer look. This device is run by an Arduino. We have an external power supply going to be attached here. First step is we have 2 lights, red and green, red symbolizing that somebody is close by and needs to sanitize, green saying it's all good. We have a buzzer to alert the person to wash their hands or sanitize. We have a motion detector to see the person from a 6 feet away distance. And then we have a hand sensor to stop the noise. Let's take a look at the code. First, we define our variables and determine if they're inputs or outputs. Next, we use 2 if clauses to determine if an object is detected. And if the object is detected, we turn on the buzzer sound. Here is the motion detector's code along with the buzzer's code. Did you like what you saw?
Because if you act now, you can still get a free sticker.
For every purchase you make. Thank you so much. Thank you for your time. We really appreciate it.
Thank you so much.
Bye!